Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to do voice to text on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. I'm going to be showing you two methods. First option is for DMs, comments, and captions. And the second method is by adding voice to text captions on Reels and Stories. All right. So for example, for text, comments, or captions, you can just go ahead and define the microphone icon. Just tap on it and say hello. Hello, test, and tap on send. All right, you could also delete it right here. Let's say, for example, you don't want to send this a specific recording. Well, just tap on delete. There you go. Now, the second option, let's go ahead and create a reel. Right here under the reel section, tap on the plus sign. Now, just go ahead and capture your reel. All right, so make sure that you upload a reel or a video with speech. Okay, so like, hi, hello, please subscribe. But once that's done, tap on next. Now, at the very bottom, find the stickers option, tap on it, and you'll be able to see captions or caption stickers. So just tap on it, and it will go ahead and generate the captions for you. As you can see, that's basically it. Tap on next, post the reel, and you're good to go. That's how simple it is to do voice to text on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.